Do you find that most olive oils off the shelf really fall flat when it comes to flavor? I'm Megan with WTI, and I absolutely cannot say that about this Tierras de Tavara extra virgin olive oil. It is so incredibly fresh tasting and very flavorful. It can be used for some cooking, but I totally prefer to use it raw and uncooked as much as possible. Because it is so super high quality, it's very nutritious and high in antioxidants, and I don't want to compromise any of that. It has this lovely bright olive fruitiness to it, and it also has that peppery kick on your palate that if you are a true olive oil lover, you are really going to enjoy this one. I was really impressed to learn that this olive oil has super low acidity. It's at 0.21%. This all indicates healthier olives and a really well-controlled extraction process. This does not surprise me one bit because I think that it is totally reflected in the amazing taste of it. Lately, I've been finding myself always looking for ways to add this delicious olive oil to my meals. But that's just my point of view.